Oh, that was a fish. Summer, cast out.
I can't for my phone.
Well, I guess I'm doing it.
Oh, wait. No.
You literally just pop it out.
I literally know.
Oh, right. Sorry. Summer, if you hook into that 10-pound bass out here, Summer, go, cast. Yeah. They're schooling right now. Just keep casting out. Yeah, just keep doing it. If they're out here schooling like that, that's a good sign. Oh, there was a fish right there.
Right over me.
Where'd you cast? I don't know where you casted.
I was casting it out.
Oh, my bad. Well, is it a big splash or? No way. Summer real. Wait. Summer. Hold on, let me see it. What are you stuck on? Hold on.
I think I'm on a fish.
Let me see.
I don't know. It felt like a bite.
Oh,
I got a fish.
I can't tell.
It felt like a bite.
Woo!
Yeah.
I think you had a fish swipe it.
I definitely had a bite.
Damn. Yeah, and he fucked your shit up.
Damn.
There you go. Dang. Yeah, he took you right into the reeds.
I know. I realized as I cast.
You did. You're gonna go back? Okay.
It's called redemption.
Redemption, he's right by the reeds again. Guess they're all feeding right there today. See, now do we stay over here where we see fish jumping? Or do we risk it? Ooh. Oh, my lure just snapped off. Like butter. That's great. It was a lure I didn't want. It's a little unfortunate. Guess I should have brought more weight to this. Got my fishing line said bye-bye. I wonder what it caught on. To just dip like that. Summer's still trying. I know that fish she had on was a pretty decent fish. I think it's it gives her some excitement though that she had a fish. At least I hope. Or she might be bummed. I don't know which yet. Summer. Go to the side of the reeds. No, so, and then cast, you want to, when you reel it in, you want to get it as close to the reeds when you're retrieving. Oh, that's a bass out there.
You know what's big?
Yeah. There's one right here too. It might be a tilapia though. Mm-hmm. Going. Your turn. That came right out. It's a little dink. Nothing crazy. He smoked it. Not bad. Say he's around a pound. Go back in the water. Cast to the right. Or the right, the left, the left. Yeah. I will say I did have to resort to using the paddle tail you're using because I lost all the cool ones I had.
Are you saying the one that I have is not cool?
No, it's good. It's catching the fish. Like far left to the bank, like on the shallow on the bank. Oh,
What the hell?
that was the tiniest fish I've ever seen. Well, yeah. Give it a little faster reel.
Save some for the rest of it.
Oh, I wasn't expecting a fish right there. Now you will get caught in the grass. You're gonna reel fast so you don't get caught in the grass. There you go. And then you can slow it down. Oh, how are you not getting torched right now? That was the best cast you've had since the one in the reeds. I guess we just go back towards the reeds, work our way back. See, and even, that was a perfect cast. Oh, reel, babe, reel. I'll land him, I'll land him. Bring him. Good job, babe. Do you want to take the hook out? Or do you want me to? Good hook.
Ooh, yeah.
You want to hold him?
Do you have whiskers or is that weeds?
That's weeds. You want to hold him? A little pick. He's gonna be feisty.
I forgot their teeth.
Yeah, here, pose for the camera. Wow. Little ding. There he goes. Good job, babe. I like how I said, like, that's the best cast. That was a really good cast. And then you got torched. What we will do, while you're fixing that, I'm gonna tighten your drag down a little bit more. I think that's why you lost that other fish, is because that drag. Because if that little fish was pulling that drag,
Yeah, we'll go with that. That sounds right.
yeah. Well, the drag on your rod is what, because the fish was able to pull you into those reeds.
Yeah.
Well, good job, babe. We're tied on
Yeah,
fin.
right here, be closer.
We both got some fish on. How's it feel to catch fish?
Feels good. I haven't caught one in months.
I know.
Nice, dude.
Oh, he's digging me in.
He's big.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Little 3-pounder. Decent fish.
Good job, man.
Thanks.
How's it feel to be catching a fish?
Not bad. The decent ones are not bad.
You want a picture?
It's about like a 2-pounder, I think. 2.5. He's got a weird bump on his tail. But he smoked, he smoked it on the grass. That's why you have to get it so close to the bank, because they'll just smoke it. We'll just torch. Oh no! Oh, okay. I thought he ate my lure. About to be a little pressed. It must have been a bass then.
But he didn't bite it.
Sometimes they don't. They'll inspect it. I think you should have a fish there on that cast. That was a good cast. Yep, babe, that's a big fish. Keep tight, keep tight, keep tight.
Oh no.
Oh, he's a dink.
Oh my god.
He just dug. Look how tiny he
Good
is.
hook. Look at that hook.
Oh yeah, that's perfect hook set. Here, the small ones are feisty. Go ahead. Wow. Woo.
The size of my foot.
We're tied. That's what I mean when I say cast to the bank. Is those exact casts.
They are
Mm-hmm. Because what they do is all the bait fish sit along the bank. I thought that fish was a lot bigger.
It felt like
Oh, something popped right there. So what they do is they'll fight and they dig you into the grass. Oh, cast. He'll eat again. He'll eat again. He's sitting right up against those reeds. So just cast out anywhere, but make sure the last part where it ends is right up. Don't stop here. Stop here. Stop here. Keep reeling. You want it to be like right into here. Oh, what is that? Is that a bowfin? I don't know what that is.
There's not catfish here, right?
It could be a catfish.
But the way it jumped.
That might have been like a huge bass. Mm-mm. He's feisty. Come on, buddy. I saw it disappear into the grass. He's like 1.5 pounds. Let him back in. Not a 2-pounder. I saw my paddle tail, and then I just saw it gone. Here. This will give you something to do while I'm untangling it. Reel that in slow. Oh, you're very tangled. Very, very tangled. Oh. And then now you get to reel that in.
Thank you.
Oh, I had another one. Oh, I do have him.
Oh,
Oh, dang, try it. He was huge. Gosh, he might eat it again. And then I'll go right after you.
Oh, I'm on.
No way.
Yeah, I am.
No way.
I'm on.
Hold on. Tension. Rod up. Oh, he's huge. Babe. Oh my God. Oh, he's huge. He's huge, babe. Oh my God.
Whoa.
Little 5-pounder, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Go ahead and grab.
What is that?
It's a bass.
No, that.
That's his mouth.
Oh.
Got it?
Oh my God.
Hold tight. Grab him.
Weird.
Just grab
Oh
him.
my God.
Here, both heads. And I'll even snap a pic. Dang. Hold on, I need the fish end of tail. Dang.
Wow.
Good job, babe.
Thank you. That was right over yours too. That's awesome. Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
My bad. My bad. I'm gonna do it again. There was two
Oh,
of
my
them right
paddle
there.
tail came off. One followed?
Well, when you thought that, or you think it was the same one?
That was the same fish. And then he came back and ate yours.
Yeah.
That was crazy. I knew there had to be fish over here. What's up, little buddy? I've been closer. That's a decent one.
Now I don't know where the gator. Oh, okay. Good job, Dave.
Thanks. Ow.
Now we can fish over here.
Yeah. Where'd he go? Spooked off?
Yeah.
We probably wanted to eat it. Not bad. Not big as yours, but he's a fish. We are slaying the bass today. Babe, this is definitely video worthy.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a YouTube video in the making. You're in the lead right now.
You think?
Yeah.
Little one just put me in.
Yep. 4-3. Summer, stop! Oh, oh. No! Summer, no! Hey guys, forgot to film an outro for that fishing trip Summer and I made. Hope y'all enjoyed it. It was very fun. Fishing, winter fishing is very hard. Anyone who fishes don't know, it is the hardest season to catch any fish. So we had a good time. Summer caught her PB, which was awesome to see. But yeah, overall, fun time. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.